Trying to save some bucks on Nikon camera batteries, today I am going to test K&F Concept EN-EL-25 kit. 2 batteries and a charger, all for less than the price of a single genuine Nikon battery. Seems like a no-brainer, right? Or is there a catch? Will these batteries fry your camera? Let's find out. K&F batteries have a declared capacity of 1600 mAh, a significant jump from the Nikon EN-EL-25's 1120 mAh or even the newer Nikon EN-EL-25 Ace 1250 mAh. The included dual charger is super convenient, with USB-C and micro USB ports giving you possibility to use your phone charger, a power bank, or even charge it in your car. Also, the charging time is about half an hour shorter than with Nikon's MH32. However, I immediately ran into a problem. One battery showed as empty after the charging was complete. Swapping the batteries in the charger slots pointed to a problem with the battery, not the charger. Anyway, it powered my Z50 just fine, so I proceeded with the test. First up, a video endurance test in 4K 30 FPS. After 2 30-minute intervals, the camera overheated as expected. After a cooldown period, the test continued, and after 71 minutes, the K&F battery died without any warning. Fortunately, after swapping the battery with Nikon's, the camera started up just fine. And the battery lasted 83 minutes under the same conditions, with a proper low battery warning before it got depleted. I updated my Z50 firmware just in case, and repeated the video test with the same battery. This time it lasted 62 minutes, however I used it for real footage, so the shorter duration was to be expected. What was not to be expected was the repeated shutdown that happened all over again. Time for a photo test with the second battery of the kit. I set up a 5-second interval shooting. The Nikon battery lasted 1643 shots. The second K&F battery, a surprising 2025 shots. I then repeated the video test and this battery got about 91 minutes of runtime and even got a proper low capacity warning on my camera. Obviously the first K&F battery is faulty. The second one performed much better, profiting from its higher capacity and beating Nikon's battery with longer duration of 23% in photo test and 10% in video test. However, there is one catch. The Nikon battery is not a new one. It is actually about 4 years old now and it manages to still keep up with a brand new battery that claims to have 40% higher capacity. In conclusion, I am somewhat disappointed. I had high expectations of this kit. Even if the batteries had matched Nikon's performance, I could have overlooked the slightly inflated capacity claim. However, the presence of a faulty battery in a brand new kit raises concerns about overall quality. While I don't believe that these batteries might actually damage your camera, having a lost footage due to an incorrect shutdown might be a disaster on its own. You are paying a premium with Nikon batteries, that is for sure. But part of that premium is definitely justified by the superior quality and reliability. I am returning this kit for warranty replacement, hoping the next one will make a better impression of itself with a fault-free and reliable performance. In the meantime, I will order Nikon's EN-EL-25A with higher capacity for a long-term testing alongside the other batteries. And of course I will share the results with you. And that's it for this video. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming photo and video gear tests. Thank you for watching and see you at the next one.